Hey tubers, welcome back to my channel. So today I have an exciting unboxing for you guys. I am going to be unboxing my new 2020 iPad Pro. It is huge. I got the 256 gigabyte and it's the Wi-Fi and cellular version. So let's just get into it. Okay, so I backed you guys up a little bit and we are going to open it up. So now there's a little pull tab over here, so you can just pull down. If I can get the pocket out. Do I have nails? Yes. Oh, there we go. Now I gotta figure out how to get this off. Hold on. Here it is in all of its glory. It's really big. Hey. All right, so it's gonna pull it out. God, it's huge compared to my face. Yeah, the struggle's real. So this is the new camera here, which I will be using. And I'm also actually gonna use this to edit this video. So I wanna see how the quality comes out and how good it's gonna be. But yes. So let's show you guys what comes in the box. This is what it looks like. So we're going to pull that out. It's the usual books and stuff and Apple stickers. And then you have your charger and your charging cable, which is now USB-C, not the typical Apple charger, so that's a little different. And that is it. So I'm currently waiting for my Apple Pencil and my case. My case is supposed to come tomorrow, and so is my screen protector. And my pencil isn't gonna come until April 13th, so I gotta wait for that, but it's okay. It's okay, I'm still going to play with it. So let's take the plastic off. I don't even want to, like I really don't want to mess it up, but my fingers are sweating. Okay, ASMR. If people could stop talking outside my room. Okay. Okay, so actually before I go, I think I'm gonna turn it on for you guys and just start the setup process. Okay. Okay, so it looks like we are ready, and it says welcome to iPad. So I'm gonna swipe up now and let's go. Ah! It's so pretty. It's so big. I love it. I love it. I love it. But I don't like this wallpaper. I actually like the one that comes on the box. So I'm going to change that. How do I, wait, actually, how do I change that? Wait, oh, obviously wallpaper. Yes, look at it. In all of its glory. Dun, dun, dun. I need to be stopped. All right, so that was a quick unboxing of the iPad, well, of my iPad Pro 2020 12.9 inch. It's beautiful. Now I'm gonna go play with it. Later.